mid-flight prep. Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Bukhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bukhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bukhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
All right, board recruits, let's go!
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Roger railing! Hold on!
Fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Bukhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reload! Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear a path so transport can make the jump.
I'm hit! We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to jump him away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This is the coolest thing ever. TIE fighter. That's insane. Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. This is the coolest thing ever. This is the coolest thing ever.
3Q and S. Local tech support will augment
Down to red. Down on the same one. This is called matching. I hope we can all do it. Any questions? I would certainly hope not. This is easy enough. But then again, you're old enough to know to keep your hands to yourself and we can't. So, shocker. What do you all know of the Resistance and their secret base? You don't know anything? You just hopped on a ship and had no idea where it was going? Vacation. Vacation. Strawberries. Awful vacation, isn't it? Are you hungry? Thinking about strawberries? There's not going to be any strawberries in there. I can tell you. It's quite embarrassing, honestly. What about the three of you? Do you know anything of the Resistance? Have no idea where you're going? And now you're stuck with people who can't keep their hands to themselves. How's that?
She's blaming you.
Now, what color are you assigned?
Red.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Are you positive?
Pretty positive.
So we learn colors and to keep our hands to ourselves. It's like kindergarten all over again. Get in, shoot.
What's up?
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
That's awesome.
Are you alright? With resistance, when we get to you, you're quickly right to there. Find those colors! Look down, find those colors! And then they buckle down, quickly recruits, orange and silver.
We have the recruits. Okay. Take this corridor to the terminal list. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't be caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the terminal list at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Improved droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a range in this country for a bridge.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on their team. There they are! Fire! Take cover, recruits! These escape pods just follow us! Take the list down! Hurry! No! I said down! Intersection. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
There we are! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. Resistance is about to be destroyed.
Escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure.